Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the campus of Blytheville Middle School, where I am honored to be principal. Well, hello. How are you? I'd like to welcome you to Blytheville Middle School's first virtual open house. My name is Mike Wallace, and I am the principal of BMS. And I think that it's a great time to be a Chickasaw. I'd like to welcome you to our open house today and tell you that I'm excited about the upcoming school year. Let me begin by talking a little bit about registration. This year, registration will be held on the following dates. On Thursday, July the 30th, grade 6 will register. On Friday, July the 31st, grade 7 will register. On Monday, August the 3rd, grade 8 will register. And then on Tuesday, August the 4th, we'll have a makeup day for those that did not have the opportunity to register. Registration will run on each of those days from 8 a.m. until 3 p.m. We're going to be taking a few minutes this morning to show you our campus and to talk a little bit about some things that are going to affect us this year. Come and join me. Because of the pandemic and the ongoing COVID-19 crisis, the safety of both my students and my staff is of the utmost importance to us. As principal, it is my job to make sure that my students and teachers are safe on the middle school campus. Each morning, all students and staff members will be screened upon arrival to the campus and checked for fever. To slow the spread of coronavirus, hallways at Blytheville Middle School will now be one way. Water fountains will no longer be in operation. The district has purchased 2 touchless water dispensers for us that will be installed on the first and second floor of the main building. When we were developing our procedures for COVID-19, we thought quite a bit about how to run and manage our cafeteria this year. We wanted to make sure that our students got a nutritious and good tasting lunch, but at the same time, we wanted to make sure that our students wouldn't linger in the cafeteria. As I said, our number one responsibility this year is to protect our students and our staff from the spread of coronavirus. And I think we're going to be able to do that. What we've done is that we've placed 3 lunch periods into our master schedule. This way, our students can quickly come to the cafeteria, get their food, quickly eat, and then we can send them on to their next class.
Hi, my name is Susie O'Neill, and I am the Administrative Assistant here at Blytheville Middle School. I want to welcome you to a successful 2020-2021 school year. I look forward to seeing your parents and you on August 24th.
Hey everyone, let's take a virtual tour of Blytheville Middle School. This is the hallway, the first floor of the main building. You can see on the left, we have my office. That's also the office of Mrs. Sharon Nash, our counselor. We have 2 administrative assistants, Mrs. Susie O'Neill and Miss Latasha Forrest. Coming on down the hall on the right, we have our library. Our librarian is Mrs. Mattingly. She does a great job for us. As we walk on down the hallway, we have our nurse, Miss Christina Nicholson. And we also have office number 2. This is Miss Davis's office. Miss Davis is our assistant principal. Her administrative assistant is Miss Goodman, and her behavioral interventionist is Mrs. Pugh.
Hi, welcome to Blytheville Middle School. I'm Dana Mattingly. I'm the Library and Media Specialist at the middle school. So glad you tuned into our virtual open house. Can't wait to see you guys soon.
Hello, BMS students. I hope that you have been staying safe. Let's get ready to rock the 2021 school year. Welcome back.
Hello, my name is Susan McDonald. I teach 7th and 8th grade at Blytheville Middle School, Literacy. I also will be teaching 2 classes of tools for 6th grade students to work on test-taking strategies, and we hope to improve test scores after taking that class. I'm looking forward to school starting back, and I'm looking forward to seeing my former students. I'm looking forward to seeing new 6th grade students. I hope you've each had a restful break. I know it's been a very long break. I hope you're ready to start back to school. If you have any questions, you're welcome to email me at smcdonald@blythevilleschools.net, and I look forward to seeing each and every one of you on August the 24th. See you then.
Hey y'all, I'm Beth McGrain. I teach 6th and 7th grade strategic reading. We are so excited to have you at the middle school this year, and we look forward to seeing you. I just have one thing I want to tell you guys. You need to mask up.
Let's go into the office and talk with my administrative assistant, Miss Susie O'Neill. Well, hi, Miss O'Neill. How are you?
Hello, Mr. Wallace.
What are you up to this afternoon?
I am checking on requisitions for this school year.
All right. Well, are you looking forward to the upcoming school year?
I am, and I think that we will have a prosperous year.
I tell you what, folks, Miss O'Neill does a great job here in the office. She's an excellent administrative assistant. I don't know what we would do without her.
Thank you so much.
We are now in the cafeteria/stage area. There's the Chickasaw stage. I've seen many good choir concerts here. Let's go ahead and take a look at our cafeteria. I've seen a lot of great, outstanding band concerts in this room.
Hey everyone, my name is Mr. Cranford. I am going to be teaching music and choir this year, and I'm really excited to be teaching you all. I just recently graduated from Baylor University with a degree in music education. Whether you're a new or returning student, I personally would like to welcome you all to a brand new year at Blytheville Middle School. I am new here myself, so I'm really excited to meet all of you. Even though things may be a little different this year, I know that all of your teachers, me included, are all working really hard to make this a really great year for you. I'll see you on day 1, and remember, it's a great time to be a Chickasaw.
Okay, everyone, this is the math building. All of our math classes are held in this building. Our math teachers are Devin Chambers, Kim McGee, Scott Corbin, and Erica Weathers. Look how shiny those floors are. Don't they look great?
Hey students, my name is Miss McGee. I'll be teaching 6th and 7th grade math. Remember to wear your mask, and welcome back.
Hello everyone, Mr. Corbin here. I will be teaching 7th grade math this year. So those of my 6th graders from this past year, we will get to spend another year together. I'm very excited about that, as I hope you are as well. For those of you that did not have me in 6th grade, this will be our first adventure together, and we'll get to know each other well over the course of the next year. It's been a really long time since we've all been together, and it's been a rough few months, and I'm really excited to get back into the classroom and get to see all of you again, and get going on some math. So I hope you all are well, I hope you all are rested, and we'll see you in a couple short weeks.
Students don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. John C. Maxwell. My students learned from the very beginning how much I cared for them and their successes inside and outside the classroom. Hello, Blytheville Middle School. I wanted to take just a moment to introduce myself. My name is Miss Weathers. This will be my second year teaching at Blytheville's most successful school. I'll be teaching 6th grade math. I am very excited to meet my new group of students and to also see those from last year. In my classes, we were able to use a variety of methods. We had independent instruction, and we also utilized peer-to-peer. I'm excited for the 2021 school year and to meet all of you. Have a great rest of your summer, and see you soon.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. It is a hot day. It is late July of 2020. Looking forward to the start of a great school year. I thought I'd show everyone a quick picture of our football stadium. We are very proud of it. And there are the visitors' bleachers, and behind the visitors' bleachers is Blytheville Middle School. If you're a middle school student, we are looking forward to having you at Blytheville Middle School.
What's up, everybody? My name is Coach Salazar. I'll be teaching 6th grade science this year at the middle school. I'm also the assistant basketball coach and golf coach at the high school. Just wanted to reach out. Hope everyone's having a great and safe summer. I know this year hasn't gone as planned, but better days are ahead. We miss you, and we're excited to see you in August. Can't wait to start the new year. And remember, wear your mask.
Hey you guys, welcome to the 2020-21 school year. My name is Miss Cooper and this is my co-worker.
My name is Miss Stewart Smith.
Together, we're going to provide you all instruction in math and science. One of our goals for you this year will be to obtain skills in reading. With that, we mean being able to better understand everything you read across all of your subjects, math, science, social studies, and of course, reading, which in turn will help you be most successful. That being said, be prepared to level up, enjoy the rest of your time off, and we will see you all real soon. Later!
That's good.
I teach 6th grade reading at the Blytheville Middle School. I'm looking forward to seeing my former students and my new students for the 2021 school year. I hope that you guys have had a great summer despite all that's been going on. I most certainly have, and the summer is not quite over, so I'm still having a really good time. I hope that you are too. I look forward to seeing you guys, so if you would like to send me an email telling me how your summer has been, how your year has been, feel free to email me anytime and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I look forward to seeing you guys in the classroom. Bye-bye.
Oh, hi. My name is Miss Nash. I'm the counselor here at Blytheville Middle School. I'm always on the go. In fact, I'm on my way to my office now. Here at Blytheville Middle School, we are so excited about this 2021 school year. We know it's going to be an exciting time. This is where Miss Forrest sits, and this is my office. So I'm gonna go in because I'm getting ready to talk about the elephant in the room.
Davis, have you done your virtual video yet?
Virtual video, what you talking about?
You know, the video.
Oh, girl, no, I gotta get on it. Oh my gosh, let me go. Oh, She here already. Hello! My name is Louise Davis, and I am the assistant principal here at Blytheville Middle School. I'd like to welcome you to our house, where the 3 A's of success is going to be working for you: academics, attendance, and achievement. So, we looking forward to seeing you on August the 24th. Have a blessed day.
In closing, I'd like to say thank you for watching Blytheville Middle School's first virtual open house. Please don't forget that masks are mandatory and must be worn by both students and staff members at all times. Also, remember that our first day of school is Monday, August the 24th. I want to wish you the best of luck. I know we're going to have a great year. See you soon.